What's up guys, Nashki here and welcome back to my channel. On this vlog episode, we'll be doing an unboxing and hands-on review of the Huawei Watch Fit. So, ito yung box. And then, ito yung Huawei Watch Fit. There. So as you know, the Huawei Watch Fit was released in 2020. And what we wanted to do on this vlog episode is to revisit, do a re-unboxing, and check whether its specifications and features are still good enough for 2021. So, I know you're as excited as I am to do this review. Let's not wait any longer. Let's get down to business because it's about to get nasty. So here we have the Huawei Watch Fit box together with the Huawei Watch Fit. So ayan, I've been using the Huawei Watch Fit for more than a week now, so I can actually tell you more about how I feel about it. So tingnan natin kung madali ba siyang gamitin, compatible ba siya sa mga devices na meron tayo, and kumusta naman yung battery life niya. So puntahan muna natin tong box. So let's do a re-unboxing of the Huawei Watch Fit. So as you can see, the box itself, you just have here the photo of the device and there's not much to see sa mga sides niya except at the back where you have here Huawei Watch Fit and some of its specifications, like its 1.64-inch AMOLED display, long battery life, 12 animated fitness courses, 96 workout modes, scientific workout guidance, full health monitoring, built-in GPS, and 5 ATM water resistance, at kung ano-ano pang mga may mga footnote, mga kung ano-ano certification dito sa baba. So, basically that's it. So, let's open it. Obviously, yung watch wala na sa loob guys kasi tinanggal ko na siya. And as you can see, dito dapat nakalagay yung watch. And then, when I remove this, ito lang. I think originally ito nakalagay siya dito sa part na to. By ito, I mean yung charging natin, cradle. Yan, medyo ang hirap ibalik. And then on the right side, so mga paperworks lang. So manual, warranty card. So there's not really much to see. Wala naman siyang ibang laman aside sa watch itself and itong charger. So kung tingnan natin itong charger. So it's all white and then it's USB Type A na ang kabilang dulo ay isang proprietary charging cradle or charging port. Basically, para siyang dalawang pogo pin na magnetic. So, it magnetically attaches to your Huawei Watch Fit. So, ito yung watch. At as you can see it on the back, ayan yung parang niya, kung saan mo ikakabit tong pogo So, ayan. Nagko-connect siya magnetically. Although, hindi din super lakas kasi pwede siya malaglag if i-move mo. Pero, yeah, you can't connect it any other way kasi palaging ganyan lang. Pag binaliktad mo, parang naglalaban yung mga magnet sa loob. So, that's it. So, it's important na hindi mo mawawala itong charging adapter na to kasi it's proprietary. Hindi siya readily available sa labas except siguro from Huawei. It's not like other manufacturers na pwede mong gamitin ng wireless charging. Dito, hindi. So, let's move on to the watch itself. So, itong watch, ayan, as you can see, it's your typical smartwatch, at least on appearance. So, mukha siyang Apple Watch na mas pinahaba yung display at mas pinapayat. Materials, basically plastic. It's elastic. It's light. It's available in 3 colors, pero itong specific variant na kinuha ko is itong black. Then, if you look at the watch itself, so ayan, as you can see, very vivid at bright yung display. So this is AMOLED. At the back, you just have here itong for charging and of course the heart rate sensor. On the sides, wala kang makikita aside from this one, which is the only button that you can use to navigate this one, aside of course from the touch controls. And then there's a hole for, I think this is microphone. So yeah, that's it. And this is also made of plastic. Mukha lang metallic yung finish, pero plastic lang din siya. This has its pros and cons. It's not as premium looking, pero it's light and it's also less prone to dents, especially pag nabagsak mo. So if you look at the watch itself, so you have here itong pinaka main interface niya, which pinalitan ko ng ibang watch face kasi gusto ko nakikita lahat. So I have here my heart rate, which is wala kasi hindi nga siya nakasuot sa kamay ko. And then of course, yung stress levels mo that it can also monitor using some algorithms. And ito yung number of calories that you've burned. So nasa 249. We have the time, the date, the temperature. Ito kasi hindi siya nakakonect sa phone at the moment. Pero if it is, so lalabas din dyan yung temperature. And then we have here 79% yung battery life remaining. And then 4,024 steps yung natitake ko. So that's it. If you scroll to the right, ito na customized din to. So you have here the history ng heart rate sensor. So as you can see, tumaakyat pa ba siya. Itong mga mataas na to, yung mga almost 200 beats per minute. Ito yung mga times na nagka-cardio ako or tumatakbo sa gym. Stress level, so ayan. So may highs and lows, as high as 69, as low as 15. So pag 69, medium yung level ng stress mo. It's not super stressed, pero stress na din siya. Then you can also play music here, pero it doesn't have a speaker. So basically yung music sa phone mo siya, you can just use this to control it. So kunyari naka may Bluetooth headset ka or any earphone, so gagana naman. And you can use this as your controller if you don't want to use your phone. Then it also monitors your sleep. Then ito yung mga steps na na-take ko. Not pretty sure about the other two icons. When I click on this one, so lalabas lang din yung mga ibang pang pwedeng options. May mga available na mga breathing exercises dito. So, ayan. Inhale. Exhale. So, mga ganyan. Basically, ito yung mga pwede mong i-manage. So, workout records, workout status, heart rate, SpO2, which is oxygen saturation level sa blood mo, activity records, sleep, stress, breathing exercises, music notifications, weather, stopwatch, timer, alarm, flashlight, and find phone. And then, of course, settings, where you can control the display settings. Yung watch face, dito mo siya pwede palitan. So, ayan yung mga options natin. So, madami. Actually, madami ka din pwede i-download from mismong Huawei store. To set this up, you have to download first the Huawei Health app on your smartphone. That's it. Madedetect na niya tong Huawei Watch Fit mo and then magsisync na siya. And then, ang unang nangyari sa akin is software update. So, I think the other features are very much self-explanatory. What you can do on your smartphone, you can also do it here. Doon sa mga nagtatanong kung, is this like a legit smartwatch? Well, for me, it's more like a glorified fitness tracker, fitness band, Smartband na binigyan ng magandang display, which is actually one of its advantages or highlights. Pero, of course, it doesn't have like its own OS, full-blown OS wherein you can like get more applications aside dito sa mga apps na nandito na. Basically, it does the job for many things. In fact, I realized like for example, nakaupo lang ako, then sasabihin niya sa akin na I have to move para hindi ako sedentary lang, mga ganyan. Tapos, diyan natin breathing exercises. So, let's see yung mga workout available. So, basically, may mga built-in siyang mga exercises. So, ayan nga, itong mga fitness courses, running courses. So, try natin itong fitness courses. Let's see itong exercise at work. So, if I click on start, ayan. So, yan. Pwede mo siyang gayahin. So, may mga butt kicks. And then, there's jumping jacks. So, may demo. So, nakakatuwa kasi you can actually see kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. It doesn't have a lot of features as you'd expect from more expensive smartwatches. Considering this one retails for 4,999 pesos, so it's 5,000 pesos. So, it's very affordable. And for the features that it has, I think it's one of the better buys in the market. Kasi yung mga iba, mura pero sobrang washed out yung screen kasi LCD. Ito, OLED to. So, AMOLED in particular. So, it's very vivid. It's bright. It's crisp and clear even under direct sunlight. I think yun talaga yung pinaka-main advantage nito. And aside from that, I really appreciate yung battery life. It promises up to 10 days of battery life with normal use. Sa akin, hindi ko naabot yung 10 days pero I think umabot ako ng more than 9 days. So, which is good enough for a smartwatch, smartband hybrid. Siguro if I have like one gripe dito sa Huawei Watch Fit is pag sinusuot ko siya, for some reason, may mga times na parang makati yung kamay ko, yung wrist ko. Hindi ko alam kung allergic ba ako or I don't know. Kasi it's not the case with other smartwatches. Parang dito lang talaga. Pero I'll try to observe. Baka ako lang naman talaga yun. And of course, yun nga, yung sa charging solution niya is proprietary. So if you lose that one, then kaya bumili ng bago. So yeah, basically that's it for our review. If you want to see like detailed information ng mga ito yung mga nakikita mo na to, you can just go to the Huawei Health app, which I said na kailangan mo lang i-download on your smartphone. I think it's available din sa iOS and of course Google Play. You just have to create a Huawei ID and then that's it. Sobrang ano siya, madali lang siyang gamitin. Here are the technical specifications of the Huawei Watch Fit. And here are the reasons why you should get or you shouldn't get the Huawei Watch Fit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog episode and sana nagustuhan nyo rin itong Huawei Watch Fit that I'm currently wearing. So let me know if you have questions. Just feel free to comment in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you so much guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. Only here on the channel where Nashti is nice. I'm Nashti. Till then.